I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to take you along on this journey to explore the beautiful island of Fernando de Noronha's stunning beaches. It's so peaceful here. If you're not familiar with Fernando de Noronha, it's a fantastic chain of 21 pristine islands off the north coast of Brazil. This is a place of unspoiled natural beauty and unique wildlife. I'm here to give you an immersive experience, so if you enjoy, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. As we make our way down the tranquil streets and past breathtaking lagoons, I can't help but feel all my worries being washed away. There's a stillness in the air that really brings out the beauty of the island. Everywhere I look, I see lush green forest and rolling hills in the distance. I take a deep breath and just soak in the lush landscape around me. As I keep walking, I come across the island's iconic arched rock. This natural arch is like a bridge connecting two enormous rock formations. From here, I can sense the incredible power of the ocean and the incredible beauty of the natural surroundings. I make my way down to Baía dos Porcos, one of the best beaches on the island. The crystal clear waters and white sand beaches are mesmerizing. As I walk along the beach, I can't help but feel like I'm in a dream. It's so incredibly peaceful and tranquil here. I take a dip in the gorgeous blue waters and just float, letting my worries and stress evaporate. Before I leave this beautiful paradise, I take one last stroll along the streets of Fernando de Noronha and marvel at the beauty of the island one last time. Feeling refreshed, I cannot wait to come back here. Before I go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss an exciting adventure.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!